Hello everybody, today I will show you how to create an empty home screen in iPhone. So first create an additional home screen, we'll create. So long press on any app, tap on edit home screen. Now move it to the right side. As you can see, drag app to the rightmost screen. Now long press on the dots. Now long press on these dots. As you can see, select the home screen you want to hide. For example, I want to hide these both screens. So just unselect it, tap on done, and now hold the app again, remove the remaining app, tap on edit home screen. Now remove from home screen, tap on it. Now as you can see, you got a blank home screen. Now what you have to do, if you want this screen again, then drag any app to that home screen. Now again drag that app, tap on edit home screen, tap on these two dots. Now select these screens which you hide the last time, which you have hidden, tap on done. Now as you can see, your screen is back. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.